Hey there! The restoration of the 68-ton IS-7 tank is underway in Russia. This tank was called Object 260 and was developed from 1945 to 1947. Its production was limited to 6 prototypes and a small number of pre-production vehicles produced in 1949. Like its predecessors, the IS-7 was designed to break through strong enemy defenses. It had good armor protection and a powerful 130mm automatic cannon that could fire an incredible 6 to 7 rounds per minute. It was one of the heaviest Soviet tanks and the most powerful of its time. It wasn't adopted by the Soviets, but many of the technical solutions first applied to this tank were later successfully applied to other serial tank combat vehicles. To date, only one surviving example is known, located in Moscow at the Kubinka Tank Museum. Due to many years of inactivity, the engine and transmission had to be repaired. There were also a lot of rust, and the internal coloring of the tank was poorly preserved. Soon, IS-7 will be fully restored and will take part in exhibitions and parades of rare military equipment. Thank you all for watching, friends! You can support our channel to create new historical videos by sending a super thank you or by sponsoring us for just a few dollars.